Okay, in this first problem here, are these two expressions the same? X squared minus 9 and x squared minus 9x. They are not the same. How do I factor the first one? Yes, this factors to x plus 3, and this factors to x minus 3. So what I got a number of times was I got people factoring this like that. So this has an x on the end of it. So how do we factor this one when it's an x on the end of the 9? Factor an x. So this becomes x times x minus 9. Does that make sense? See the difference there? So now let's go back to simplifying 16 over 24. This would be the same thing as 8 times 2 over 8 times 3. So normally we wouldn't do that. But again, the reason I can simplify this is because these 8s are the same. And so this gives me a 2 over 3. So you might take this and factor out an 8 and make it 2, factor out an 8 and make it 3 there also. So if I made this addition, say I did 7 plus 9 over 7 plus 17, can I cancel out those 7s? No, because it's addition. So if I tried to cancel them out, I'd get a really strange fraction. Who knows what I would even get out? I would not get 2/3 on that. Okay, so I cannot cancel it out when it's addition. It's only when it's multiplication that I can do canceling there. Okay, so let's do number 3. So this is division, which means we need to do what? Yeah, we're going to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. So we're going to rewrite this first one, and we're going to factor as we rewrite it. How does the numerator factor on number 3? Factor out a 6x, that's right. So 6x times x plus 1. So if I take 6x times x, I get 6x squared. 6x times 1, I get my 6x. And then on the denominator, how do I factor that? With the x, that's right. So I'm going to look at what multiplies to -9 that adds to -8. -9 and 1. So I have x minus 9 times x plus 1. So what happens with this factoring is if you don't know your multiplication tables, it makes it a lot harder. So you can use the calculator. It's going to take you a lot longer. And sometimes you may not think of what those numbers are. So unfortunately there. So now on division, we're going to take this and take the reciprocal. So as I'm factoring, I'm going to do the reciprocal. So the 6x plus 12, we can factor out 6. And then this becomes x plus 2. And then I'm going to call on somebody. How do we factor 6x minus 54? Haley. Good. Good. Okay, so now we want to see what we can cancel. We can cancel out what? X plus 1, x minus 9. Anything else? A 6. 1, 6. So we're left with 6x on the top over x plus 2. Why can't I cancel these x's here? Remember, in the bottom there, that x plus 2 is like a married couple. I cannot cancel that unless I have another x plus 2 on the top. I want you to do number 4 for a U try. Looking at it closer. So neat. You got it done. Yeah, good job. So on the top there, so when it's a trinomial 3 terms, that's when you're going to do your x. and then what about the signs? Oh yeah, -4 and negative, yeah, negative, yep. So no b squared, because there's b squared would mean there's a b squared in all of them. B minus 4, b minus 2, yep. Yeah, good. Did you already do that last one? Oh, good job. All over it. I saw you helping her earlier. Thank you. Yeah, I thought saw you helping Emma. Thank you. You weren't helping. You were helping. Really? Yeah. Awesome. Wow. I just made an assumption, and yes, nice job. Very good. How are we doing? Okay. Good. So, and then you're still working on that. Sure. Good. How are you doing on that number 4? Yeah. You feeling okay, Ira? You did really well on your quiz. Did you see? Yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, good job. Yep. Great.